Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your primary Google account. This ties the subscription to your identity and purchases. Once signed in, make sure your billing method is added and valid, credit, debit, or Google Pay, because the system charges immediately when confirming a paid tier. Next, pick the device you'll use for the process. Desktop gives full controls while mobile is faster. Choose what's convenient and move to the Gemini subscription page to start the purchase flow. Now you select the plan that fits your needs and budget. Compare a trial versus paid monthly or annual tiers so you understand limits and costs. Once you pick a plan, complete verification steps, confirm your email and phone, and enable two-factor authentication if prompted. This prevents account issues later. Then enter or confirm payment details and apply any promo codes. Make sure billing address matches your payment method. After these confirmations, review terms and proceed to subscribe. Confirm your purchase and wait for the on-screen success message and receipt in your Google Payments activity. This finalizes the subscription and unlocks Gemini features. Once active, configure preferences, enable API or device sync, and check email for account links and invoices. If something goes wrong, first retry the payment after checking card limits and address. Clear your browser cache and try incognito. If failures persist, contact Google Payments support with your transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.